All right, we're back. Turned out pretty good, I think. I mean, if you didn't really tell anybody that was more curved at this top here, I don't think they'd ever know. I mean, you're very limited to what you could do. Once that starts cracking like that, you're basically done. But the problem is, though, you can't lower this pattern right here too low because the distance from here to here becomes greater and then the zipper's not going to fit. Then you're going to have to back the zipper up a little bit and you're going to have a gap right there, or just replace the zipper. So I think it turned out pretty good. These are the pieces we cut off on the front and the back. I think the bottom line is that she gets to use her bag for, I don't know, however many years she wants to use it. I mean, it's not a limited edition bag, so some people might say, oh, you're ruining the bag. It's not a Louis Vuitton anymore. But you know, that's crazy. The bottom line is that the customer has her bag back and she can use it again. All right, well, thanks for joining me. We'll see you again.